If you're a pet owner like me, you know the struggle of keeping your clothes fur-free. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. These pet hair removers promise to tackle that never-ending battle with pet hair, and I'm here to share my honest experience with each one. Product number 1. Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard Mega Dryer Sheets. When I first tried the Bounce Pet Hair and Lint Guard Mega Dryer Sheets, I was skeptical. Would a simple dryer sheet really be effective against the mountain of dog hair that seems to cling to everything? I tossed a couple of these mega sheets into the dryer with my laundry, and to my surprise, I noticed a significant reduction in fur on my clothes. Each sheet is about twice the size of a standard dryer sheet, which gives you more coverage and, importantly, more power. They're infused with 3x the pet hair repelling magic compared to regular bounce sheets, and that's crucial for someone like me who has a golden retriever that sheds like there's no tomorrow. One of the standout features is that these sheets are perfume-free, which is a blessing for anyone with sensitive skin or allergies. I often have to be careful about what I expose myself to, and these sheets fit the bill perfectly. Plus, they help reduce static cling and wrinkles, which is an added bonus. It's like getting 2 products in one. Product number 2. Fur Zapper Pet Hair Remover for Laundry. Next up is the Fur Zapper Pet Hair Remover, which I came across while scrolling through a pet supply site. Honestly, the Shark Tank endorsement intrigued me. I received a pack of 2, and I was eager to see if this simple silicone disc could really tackle the mess my pets leave behind in my laundry. Using the Fur Zapper couldn't be easier. I tossed one in the washer with my clothes, and after the cycle, moved it to the dryer as instructed. The concept is brilliant. It uses a tacky surface to grab onto pet hair and dander, which then gets caught in the lint trap during drying. I was impressed by how much hair it collected. My clothes came out looking cleaner, and I didn't have to spend time manually removing fur beforehand. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're washing a large load, one Fur Zapper may not be enough, and you might need to use both discs. Additionally, it's crucial to avoid using fabric softeners or dryer sheets because they can reduce the stickiness of the product, which defeats the purpose. Product number 3. GJPS Ben Pet Hair Remover for Laundry 4PC. I stumbled upon the GJPS Ben Pet Hair Remover while searching for affordable solutions to combat pet hair in my laundry. This product comes in a pack of 4 and is made from microfiber with soft hooks that promise to catch pet hair effectively. I decided to give it a try, and I have to say, it's a nifty little tool. Using it was straightforward. I simply tossed these little removers into the washing machine with my clothes. After the cycle, I was pleasantly surprised to see how much pet hair they managed to collect. They're gentle on fabrics too, which is essential for someone like me who often washes delicate items. Plus, they do a great job at isolating clothes and reducing wrinkles, meaning my laundry came out looking fresher and cleaner. On the downside, while these tools are great, I found that they might not be as effective with very short pet hair. In those instances, the results were less noticeable. Additionally, if you accidentally use fabric softeners, you'll reduce their stickiness, so it's best to be cautious. So, why buy the GJPS Ben Pet Hair Remover? If you want an affordable and reusable solution for pet hair that works well and won't damage your clothes, these are a solid choice. They've made my laundry days less daunting by significantly reducing the amount of pet hair left behind. Product number 4. Seeds Hub Pet Hair Dissolver for Washing Machine. The next product I tested is the Seeds Hub Pet Hair Dissolver, which caught my eye because of its unique 5-in-1 action formula. This powder claims to dissolve not only pet hair, but also scale and odor in your washing machine. I was intrigued and decided to give it a shot. I used the product but adding a sachet to my washer during the longest cycle, and honestly, it was a game changer. The high heat activation worked wonders, breaking down nearly 97% of the pet hair in my laundry. The best part? It didn't just stop there. It deodorized my machine and left my clothes smelling fresh. This product is designed for heavy-duty cleaning, especially for those of us with multiple pets. However, it does have its limitations. The Seeds Hub is not recommended for natural fabrics like cotton or silk, which is something to keep in mind if you wash a lot of delicate items. And while it's fantastic for synthetic materials, using it on the wrong fabrics can lead to fading or damage. So, why should you buy the Seeds Hub Pet Hair Dissolver? If you're serious about tackling pet hair in a comprehensive way and want a product that also cleans your washing machine, this is the way to go. It's a bit of an investment, but well worth it for the efficiency and results it delivers. Finally, I tried another version of the GJ Ben Pet Hair Remover for Laundry, Blue. It features similar microfiber technology as the black version and comes in a pack of 4. I was curious to see if there were any differences in performance. I followed the same process, tossing these into the wash, and was equally impressed with the results. Like the black version, this blue edition worked effectively in catching pet hair and lint. It was gentle enough to use on all my clothes, including my child's items, which was a significant plus for me. The soft hooks worked to grab onto the hair without damaging the fabric. After the wash, my clothes looked clean, and I didn't have to worry about leftover pet fur. However, just as with the earlier version, the effectiveness can wane with very short hairs, and they perform best without fabric softeners. If you use those, you might find reduced effectiveness. So why buy this blue GJ Ben Pet Hair Remover? If you're looking for a reusable, affordable, and effective tool to manage pet hair, this product is a fantastic choice. It offers the same benefits as the black version and can easily fit into your laundry routine without hassle.